Picture A, picture B. In picture A, one can walk. Yes, walk. One can eat, sleep. Which one? Picture A. Yeah, walk, eat, sleep, act, bark. Bark. Very good. Dog. Dog. In picture A, there's a dog. There's a dog. In picture A, there's a dog. There's a dog. There is a dog. There is a dog. There's a dog. There's a dog. There's a dog. There's a dog. Good. Now, look at the picture B. B. Dog. Dog? No, that's not dog. No. No dog. No dog. Watch it. There is not a dog. There isn't a dog. There is not a dog. Is not. Isn't. Isn't. There isn't a dog. Isn't. There isn't a dog. There isn't a dog. There isn't a dog. Good. Now, look at picture B. Look at picture B. B. Some can walk, eat, sleep, climb. Who? Which? Picture B, not A. Picture B. Walk, eat, sleep, climb. Help. Good. Cats. Cats. There are some cats. In picture B, there are some cats. In picture B, there are some cats. There are some cats. There are some cats. In picture B, there are some cats. There are some cats. Say it with me. There are some cats. Good. Look at picture A. A. Any cats? Any cats? Any cats? No. No. In picture A, there are not any any cats. There are not any cats. Aren't. There aren't any cats. There aren't any cats. There aren't any cats. In picture B, there aren't any cats. There aren't any cats. There aren't any. In picture A, there's a dog. There's a dog. In picture B, there isn't a dog. There isn't a dog. In picture B, there are some cats. There are some cats. There are some cats. In picture A, there aren't any cats. No cat. Any cat. No. There aren't any cats. Zero. No. There aren't any cats. Dog. Yes. There's a dog. No dog. No. Positive sentence. No. Negative sentence.